There are 8 stances you need to improve to become a 100% Super Scrum Master. But which are they? Let's find out. According to the popular white paper by Barry Overeem, based on his personal experiences acting as a Scrum Master, there are 8 stances of a Scrum Master. We can describe a Scrum Master as a servant leader, facilitator, coach, manager, mentor, teacher, impediment remover, and change agent. A Scrum Master is a servant leader whose primary emphasis is on the needs of the team members and the customer to whom they deliver value, with the purpose of generating outcomes that are consistent with the organization's values, principles, and business goals. The goal of the servant leader is to improve and expand teamwork and personal participation. They foster a participatory culture by empowering, delegating authority, and decision-making to employees. The Scrum Master, as a facilitator, sets the stage and establishes clear parameters within which the team can collaborate. A facilitator is someone who guides a group of people in understanding their common objectives and plan a structure for discussions on how to achieve these objectives, while remaining neutral, meaning that he or she does not take a stance in the conversation. A coach works with an individual to develop their thinking and behavior, a team to improve continuously, and an organization to fully collaborate with the Scrum team. According to Lisa Atkins, author of the book Coaching Agile Teams, coaching is not about giving advice, but about supporting people to come up with their own solutions. If you ask the right questions, they always will. Coaching is the process of releasing a person's full potential in order to self-improve their own performance. Rather than instructing individuals, it assists them in learning. A manager is in charge of managing barriers, eliminating waste, managing the process, managing the health of a team, managing the self-organization boundaries, and managing the culture. A manager is someone who is in charge of a certain set of tasks or a subset of an organization. A mentor helps the team to gain agile knowledge and expertise. Mentoring allows a Scrum Master to pass on his or her agile expertise and experience to the team when it becomes relevant to what's going on with them. A Scrum Master as a teacher ensures that Scrum and other applicable approaches are understood and implemented. Teaching entails passing on knowledge and skills as well as training someone on how to do a duty. A Scrum Master is an impediment remover that enables the team to remove roadblocks to its progress while taking into consideration the Scrum team's availability to self-organize. A Scrum Master should foster a psychological safety environment where the Scrum team feels comfortable raising issues, respecting the team's ability to self-manage and encouraging the team to address problems on their own. A Scrum Master as a change agent helps creating a culture where Scrum teams can succeed. A change agent is a person who assists in the transformation of an organization by concentrating on its effectiveness, improvement, and development. What do you think? Have you applied or will you apply these concepts? Tell us more in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to not miss any of our new videos. Also, let me know what Agile topics you would like to learn. I will be releasing new videos every week.